Hello and welcome to Undefined Geometry. In this video, we shall be carrying on with the beginner's course, this time looking at the pattern command. For this, we need a hole that we can pattern. To use the pattern command, pick the icon from the menu. If your features is not selected, the error will appear. Click OK and select the hole that we just created from the tree. This will open the pattern dialog box. We now have to select the center of rotation for the pattern. If we change the type to crown, we can add the number of holes that we need, and CATIA will work out the correct pitch of the holes. Once again, the pattern can be changed at any point after creation. Also, any update to the feature will also change the resulting pattern. Thanks for watching this far. That is about it for the pattern command. The next video will be looking radius and chamfer commands. If you are enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe.